Hi, Shruti. Can you hear me?
Hi, Vinay.
Huh. What is certain course? Yeah. Yesterday, in the previous class, I discussed about the API. API, create, update, retrieve, those operations I spoke about. That is about API. API is very powerful in order to develop the services, API services. So that is about the previous class. Today, I'm going to talk about the one project, that is auth project. Authentication. Authentication project, any application when we working on any application, first we need to log in, then log out, so that the type of the transactions are there. In this auth transaction, suppose I will develop one project regarding that. The project looks like this. So this is where my project run server, and copy this URL, go to here, paste it here. If you see this screen, there is a first home page is Django. There is registration button is there, dashboard is there, and login is there. If I click on registration, I can register my user. If I click on dashboard, it asking to log in. Then only we can go to the login page. If I click on login page, I need to provide the login details. So once I provide the admin details, admin root @123. Then when I click on login, so the logout button, logout link is appeared here on top of that in a menu, and also dashboard is appearing. Is showing welcome. This is welcome. This is application dashboard. So the welcome message is displaying. Once I log out again, if I click on dashboard, it is saying that you need to log in to see the particular dashboard page. It is saying that. But registration page, no need, because registration without login also we can register our user. Then after registering, we can go to login page, and dashboard page, where we can log in here and we can see this. Again, if I'm login to the dashboard page, login root @123. Login, I can see the home page. When I click on this thing, I can see the application dashboard. So I'm going to develop this application. So somewhere after login, we can see the logout. So this is the application I'm going to develop now, because to go with any application, first of all, we need a login page, then only we can go further. So first priority is that we need to have a authentication page. So in order to develop the authentication, we are using some techniques. So I will talk about the techniques now. So I'm logged out here. So Control C, this is the application I'm going to develop. So this is where I'm creating one project, that is project creation, Django admin start project start project. The project name is basic underscore JECT project. This is the basic project. Okay, sorry. I'm supposed to, I need to move to my virtual environment, right? Conda activate active activate. What is my virtual environment? My env. This is my virtual environment. CLS. Then Django hyphen admin start project start pro JECT start project basic underscore project PRO JECT project. Enter. It is no Django settings specified. Start project. The project is created. CLS CD basic project. I change my directory. CLS. Now Django hyphen or admin start app. Then what is that? Uh, basic underscore app. Enter. So now my project is ready. Click on code. I got my code, visual code. Here I can see the basic app project. Then settings. Go to the setting. I need to tell to my main project about my app. So basic app is my project. Then everything is same. Everything is same. No need to change anything. Now, first thing is that I need to create a model. I need to create a model. There I'm specifying few elements. Before specifying the elements, why it is not okay. Model. I need to specify my model. So what is the model? 1 second. Why it is not moving to the? So now it is. I mean, my environment in this console. So I'm creating a one here. See this? I have in Django, already they given some predefined classes, predefined methods, predefined variable in order to create the user authentication page. So what are those things? I'm going to talk now from Django dot contribute country sorry Django dot contribute dot r dot models. This is the models. There is an import. The class name is user. So when I create a class CLA as class user profile info. My class name is user profile info. Their model name is model dot model. I'm giving this models dot model model. Again, what is this model? So in this, I am creating the one username. User is user. That user is models dot 1 to 1 field. I'm talking about. I will talk about the 1 to 1 field. That is user, which is we create user, comma on delete is equal to cascade. So if I delete the this particular model, what should do? I mean, what this cascade is on delete, what it will throw something. I mean, some error, or it will do that. Cascade is the third. On delete, it should happen something when I delete my record. That will take care about cascade. So here, 1 to 1 field. So 1 to 1 field, what is the meaning of that 1 to 1 field? If I go that this particular definition, here, forget about all the things. Here, the on delete option specify what happened to the instance of the second model when the instance of the first model is deleted. Okay, fine. And also here, uh, with one user can have only one profile. So here, something is there. You might have 1 to 1 field is a field in Django that defines a not required all the things. Basically, what I mean to say that here, so if I delete a user, its corresponding other corresponding data also it will delete. So if you specify the 1 to 1 field, so we have suppose there is two fields, there is a relation 1 to 1 field relation is there. If I delete the one user, one data row value, that data row corresponding other table value also will be deleted. That is the meaning of 1 to 1 field. So 1 to 1 user, then I'm asking to update profile. The profile I'm asking to, so profile information. What is the profile? Profile here something I need to use a profile for PORT portfolio EO site name SIT site. I'm giving one models dot. There is we can provide our what type of the site I'm using, user field, URL field, that is the blank BLA and blank is equal to TRU true. Blank is equal to that is another field. P PO at PO full field. Then another field. The last field I need to upload for the my profile picture. Profile underscore PSCP models dot, that is image field. Once you that is image field, the image field, what is the, you can forget about all the things. So image upload field where I can upload my pictures there. What you call, once you upload the any your profile picture, we need to provide the location under the basic underscore app. This is my app name. There we can profile underscore pic. I'm giving one place to upload the pictures. The height blank. All these are not required. Not required. Blank. This is optional field. That's what it's a blank. Blank 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 is equal to true. So whether TRU true. TRU true. So the true. So what is this? Models dot image field update load, but I'm giving the field name. I said location where the files uploaded, then blank, correct. Then you can give the any def hyphen str string. So here what I'm doing, I will return the return TURN RE TURN return self dot there is a user is there, user dot, user name. All these things are coming from this particular user. So that is username. And another, this is about one user profile data, model, which we, so once I created this thing, so I will go to user profile models. There is one, two, three, three fields are there, and we are editing. Then I'll go to this thing, notepad, sorry, my terminal. The terminal, I will quickly run the migration command, migrate. So to migrate, basic user profile, basic picture cannot find the image. Look, oh, we need to run the what you call, we need to import the one what you call this thing, software to to upload the image. So what is that clean? So I will tell you uh, one install. We need to install one. I need to install this thing. Okay. Install, Control C. This is Honda activate. This is not my env. So now I will run the migrate command. So it's a migrations happen. Python make migrations. Python manage.py make migrations. What the basic underscore app. My app name is. So one table is created. Fine. Again make Python make migrate. Everything is good now. So clear the screen. Go to here. Now the table is created. So and again CRUT create Python manage CRUT create or super user. So what is the user? User admin at the rate gmail.com, root at the rate 123 password, root at the rate 123 password, successful. Now I will up the server, run SCRVR run server. Before run the server, I need to go to admin. I need to register my profile. What you call admin dot site dot reg register. What is my model? That is portfolio model. So in order to specify the portfolio model, I need again from models import portfolio model. I have imported. Then again I will run the server. Now I will go to the server. I'll go to the server. So here the Django is there, and also admin 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 root at the rate 123. So here user profile is created, and we can see user admin and also profile. So but why it is space here? I need to see this. Why it is space there? So user, okay, user, and yes, again user profile, go to admin. So this is the profile specified. I can Control C, Control run the migration command, migrate. So migrate, make migrations, and migrate. So go to again Go to again, I need to run the server. I need to run the server, run server. Now again, run the server. Now user profile. So now user profile info where I can see this. I can pass this some site name, suppose Google, google.com, and browse any, I can any image. I can save this one. So I can see this is my user. This is my user. I uploaded my user. So once I upload the user, go to your this thing project. So here I have not created the picture, but this particular folder profile underscore pic is already is created because in the model we given this particular location. So that's the reason there's a profile underscore pic is created there. So that is about the model. Then after creating a model, then what we need to do, we need to create a certain templates. So templates, first template is my basic HTML template. So I will go to my project here, create a folder, TEMP, LATS templates, under that basic, under the templates, enter, then again another basic underscore app, another folder. On this folder, I'm creating the one basic underscore HTML. This is the HTML file. Few things are I will copy paste from my previous code because typing HTML code is too much. It will take time. So I have this button, and this is my dashboard page, and also up to, and this is my, I will close my HTML code. So this is the HTML. So if you see this something, so under this page, what I'm doing here, I'm writing some code that is I'm checking the logic whether the user is logging or not. So how to check that? Go to here, whether go to here, curly braces, percentile. There is the user underscore is user underscore is user is coming from models page. Users dot is authenticated is underscore authenticated authenticated. If user is authenticated, I'm asking to go to this particular logout page. If we can see this logout page, if user doesn't authenticated, then again percentage else if the user is not authenticated, what I mean to say that please log into the application. So I'm giving the login. So again, I need to close the end. So percentile, and end if. So what what I'm doing, I'm checking this particular user is authenticated or not. So in order to check that, we need to create this user where models is there, right? Their user. So this particular user we are checking if the user is authenticated, logout link should display, URL should display, or else display the login URL. That is what this thing is. So once again, I'm checking these things. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine. What is this? Okay, this is some format issues. So this is my code, dev. Under the dev, there is a classes that this is important for us. So this is user. We are checking the user. So everything is good. Is authenticated dot is okay. Is authenticated. We are checking this variable. Then only we are, if authenticated, we are seeing that, and again we are seeing that. Fine. So again, another page is that index page. So index page, I'm going to develop. Index page is nothing, just we are uh, uh, for, I mean, home page like index.html. Again, to index.html, first we need to extend the our basic class. What is how to extend? First, and what is that? Ex extends my basic class name is basic underscore app slash base dot sorry base not base dot base dot html. So base dot html yes, this base dot html I have given. Something is wrong. Okay, remove this too. So now it's fine. Basic dot html. Then we need to use this braces. What is this? BL block VODY body, block body. I need to provide here. So I need to end the percentile end block. So this is the end block. So there's certain things are there HTML code I'm writing directly. I'm writing there. So HTML code I'm writing here. I'm providing the use here also. If the user is authenticated, welcome. We need to suppose if the user is authenticated, then we are saying that we are passing some message here h2 colon h2. I'm passing the welcome. So user dot name, user dot username. These variables are already there in a user object. So something I'm passing here, that information I'm passing here, and I'm closing the h2. So then else if we else and as percentile else let's say else. So don't make mistakes. Don't give the space in between curly braces and parentheses. So else I'm passing the what so h2 again h2 I'm passing the welcome to the site. Welcome to the site h2. So what we'll do, it will give the welcome it will give that this message, welcome to the username. Then we need to close this parenthesis, this particular if condition, and if. So then we need to close the remaining div and div. Div. Two divs are I have closed. That is about the. So what we are doing, if the user is authenticated, we are showing this message, and or else we are going to index page. We are showing this message. That is about this particular this thing, this page. So that is index page, and next page is that. What is the next page? Dashboard page. The dashboard page, just we are showing the message. This is nothing but I will go to here DASS dash BO board dot HTML. Dashboard dot HTML. Just I will copy paste because it's nothing is there. I'm importing. Welcome to this dashboard page. This message I'm showing. And next page is that welcome page is there, base page, index page, login page. Login page where it is just uh, login.html. Login.html, what I'm doing, this login.html, this is also, we need to enter the username and password and click on submit. For that, we need to develop a form that. So in order to develop a form, first I need to create my form here. So go to forms. So here what I will do, I will create a form. FORMS forms, FORMS forms.py. This is a Python file. So I need to do certain input statements from to in order to, so already you know, right? I know just so here first I'm going to import the form, then user, then this in the model we have already this user profile class is there. I imported, then class user FORM form, this user form. So what I need to pass here, forms dot uh, model form, which is model form. There I'm passing certain information, the password 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 equal to uh, forms dot, this is a character field, this is a character field, max length, widget, we need to pass the widget here. We add widget forms, sorry, it is not from for forms dot th char field. This char field for the password, I'm passing the widget forms dot. I will show you how the password field. This is the password input field. Because a password should not appear, it should display only dots. That's what password field I given. This is the class. That is a validation. Meta, meta. So then model is equal to user. That is the user model. And also fields FIE, FI, FL, FIE fields is equal to, we have the first field is username, user name. Next field is email. Next field is PJSS for password. These fields are there. Then same thing, that is about the user form. Next one, next class, CLS class. User profile, FILE profile, info, FORM form. This is second form. Again, forms dot model, forms dot mo model form. Here again, class meta. So here what we are doing, we are creating that passing this user profile user profile class. This is user. This is user form. This user form already, this user, it is it is coming from the authentication class. This is the authentication class already is there in Django. That is where we are getting the this user meta. So, but the second one, this user profile, we created. This is our custom class where I'm using the FI fields is equal to, I'm passing the values. So what is that? For PO RT portfolio. I mean, otherwise you can go here, models. It will not. One is portfolio site, another is portfolio picture. So just to give that, that's it. We created a form, and this is the form. I'm closing this form model. So this login HTML. Now I need to develop the that particular this thing. So in order to, login page. So to do that, what I will do, I will paste, copy paste a few things. This is my user, and to end that, this is my end from. This is end. So remaining, I need to develop here. So first thing is, already we know. So this is the form F4 colon F4 RM form F4 RM form is equal to method method equal to post method post post comma action. What action equal to, that is what you call, that is that action is equal to URL. So where is the basic? So basic, first of all, to go there, what I will do, I will go to I will create a URL page. There URL start file. So here I will specify the my path is path where comma here include, I need to specify include include. I need to specify here. So comma I include include what I need to include, my first basic. What I need to include, my basic include basic underscore app dot URLs. I need to include here. So I need to include here basic app. So I will and my root path is basic underscore app slash. This is my root path, and everything is same. Yeah, this is root path, and also home page. I'm giving here home page as path. Again, I'm giving comma views. Where is the views? Views I need to import from basic app. Basic app. Import vi views. So views dot index page. What is views dot ind? This is basic app views, and the views, there's a class index page comma name equal to index. So that is my okay. I need to develop the views. I still have not developed, right? Okay, that's what it is showing like. So that is the basic app. Come to here where my URLs here. First thing is that I need to import few statements. I will copy paste this thing. So app underscore name sorry, app underscore name. What is the app name? Name equal to basic underscore app. My basic app, that is my app. URL patterns, where I need to first I need to specify the already we declared, what are we declared user login page path. So user underscore login comma views. Where is this views? From the views, I will create a views also. User underscore login page, login login. The name equal to user underscore login. This is my URL. Now go to the login page where I will create my this thing basic login page. Here I'm creating the one form. Uh, that is the form FORM form. I'm closing the form FORM form. I'm closing this. In between, I have to give method equal to post. Method is equal to post action. What action is that? Here, that action percentile URL percentile URL where basic underscore app colon user underscore login page. So I'm closing this thing and also I'm closing the percentile. So that is basic. This is user underscore login. User underscore login base colon. Yeah, this is correct. Yes. Now we need to pass the CRF token colon CSRF token. This is CRF token we need to pass for the security form security we need to pass. Then remaining things are the same. Just to avoid the typing, I just copy paste this thing. So I pick the username and username is this thing, password, input box, and submit button. Everything is good. So just again, I will format the code, some code format. The code is good now. So yeah, everything is good now. Then another page is that index page is over. Registration page. This is the registration page. For the registration page, what I need to do, I will create a registration page. Just I will go here, .html. This is the registration page. The registration page, again, we need to, I will copy paste this some code here. So again, here I will remove this. So again, if you see this, here I'm creating the form. Again, here I'm creating a form. The form is for the registration form. FORM form. The some things are there here. Form action is I'm not creating the action, but this method equal to post. But this encryption type again. This is where important where encryption type. So what is the encryption type? This is also for multi-part form data. I will talk about this multi-part form data, FO or form data, multi-form form data, where method equal to post. Then here, I will talk about multi-part form data. 1 second. Here, again, CSRF token. So I need to give here and user and again percentile. This is the user form. User underscore FORM form dot as dot underscore p. Already we know this. Again, another profile form. Already we created these forms. Profile form and profile underscore FORM form underscore as dot underscore p. We created these forms, but we not at all of the this. We not at all of the views. I will develop the views also now. Give me 1 second. So that is about the user form and profile form. So again, I will format my code here. So everything is correct. Everything is correct. So that is the formatting. Yeah. Registration phase is completed and everything is okay. I'm supposed to need to move this one here. Now I'm going to the form page where uh, there is few things are there in the form. We need to write some code here. So in this form, first I need to import few things. So one is forms, FRM form dot forms. Sorry, it's still running. Forms dot form import user form, user form, comma user portfolio form. Two things are there. What are the forms? User form, user portfolio form. Correct. Then again, here some extra things are there to we need to import for the authentication login page and logout page. Already Django having these features, so we need to directly we can use that is Django dot contribute dot auth. So comma imp what import au authenticate comma login page login comma logout. This is the one, and also HTTP read for the redirect also we need to import from Django dot HTTP for HTTP import HTTP HTTP something res response yeah redirect comma HTTP response comma from another thing is that DJ go dot URLs. We have a reverse import rev reverse. Then last one is this is where this is very important. This is the decorator django dot contribute contribute one man dot decorators import what's the decoration? Login decorator. I will talk about these, all these things. I will use all those things in my class. So first thing is first we need to develop the def index page, def index, index for that request, QUS request, where I need to pass the return render, render what I need to render, just request comma, what is the page? Our page, basic HTML, right? So basic underscore app underscore index dot HTML. So then here, so I'm developing the logout page user log out user logout and where I'm passing the request. So request log out log out. This functionalities already is there in Django. That's what I'm directly using this logout method. Just request I'm passing here. Then return what will return? Return HTTP direct response direct. What response I'm doing? Reverse. If the user is log out, I'm asking to go to the index page. index page. INDX index page. So where is the index page? We need to provide the index page here. Path, again, colon, comma, comma, comma. So already we have given here index page, right? It will go to this index page. This is the name I have given, not this name, sorry. Already this name index, it will go to the index. Then what I will do, a registration page. Registration page. So in order to log out, first we need to, the user should log in, right? So there is one annotation. It will check the user is login or not. That is a decorator, not the annotator. This decorator, what will do? It will check the before user logout. It will check the user is login or not. If not, it will give the login page. So that is where I use the login is required for logout. So then registration. For the registration, I need to write some code here. We need to give some register, not the admin register. Sorry. This is the user register request colon. This first I need to, that is the form, right? User registration is the form. First I need to check the request. You have to request dot method. I need to check what is the method. Request dot method method equal to post post. Then then we need to fetch the user form user underscore fo form equal to user form. There I need to pass the data is equal to request dot post post. So then there's a profile page is a profile underscore FM form. Both are posted. Then we need to see the user profile form also. Then I need to pass the same thing, data dot request. So is equal to post. Already we know these things. That's what I'm going very fast here. If user form dot is valid, then only and user profile form dot is valid, then both are valid, then user equal to user is equal to user form dot save. Then where password is we required, we need to set the password also. User dot set user dot set. This is the user dot set. What is it? PGS is password, comma, user dot password PASS WORD password. Then password, then I'm using the after set that you save we need to save. Then again portfolio also save. Profile also I need to save. Profile equal to profile form dot save. I need to save the profile also. Where we need to commit equal to false. I'm just given the commit as false. Then profile form, sorry, profile dot user is equal to user. So that is Then we need to upload the picture also. If profile fi pro file underscore pic in request this profile in request dot files fi files files files. Then I'm asking to print something. Found it for you and found it. Just I'm giving the profile picture is found. Then profile picture we're uploading. Profile. Don't worry about this code. You can directly use this code, but basically you need to have, I mean, we already know the what is the form, what is the model. These are just, I mean, for our implementation purpose we are using, but basically you need to know we already created the user form and profile form. Basically, accordingly, we are writing this code. So request dot files. So I'm passing the profile pic. That's the where the profile need to store. Pro, profile pictures needs to store. This is the place profile pictures need to store. Again, profile dot save. We need to save the profile and registration is true. Registration here one variable is there. The variable is equal to TRU. This is the another this is the variable we need to. So first thing is here, first registration, where if the registration is false, I need to create the variable here. Registration is false, then FALSE false. First time I send the registration false, then finally, if the registration is true, then the profile picture will be that is true. Then else we are asking to save. Here what we are saying, if condition else, what I'm doing else print something error. Please, I'm giving that what error? User underscore form dot error error class can pass error, comma profile also I'm passing error. I'm throwing the error. So this error that is about the profile form. Else, like finally another else, if that is not post method, this is not the post. I'm directly returning some statement saying that uh, profile user underscore form equal to, I'm saying I'm asking to user form again, profile, it will render to this particular profile form. I'm asking to go here. No, profile user profile form. User profile form. These two forms. Then if everything is good, I'm asking to return. You are a return. You are in return. Render. What I'm rendering? First is I need to request QUS request, comma. What is my registration page? Basic underscore app colon registration registration dot HTML page, where here what are the things I need to, what is the context I need to pass here? Context registration registration. So what I need to pass here first is username, user underscore form user underscore F1 form. What is the user from? User, I'm passing this value, and profile underscore F1 form colon profile form. I need to pass the profile form, and finally I need to pass the my registration. Registered registered colon register. I need to pass the register reg. Same thing. I need to pass this thing also. So register. I need to pass the register. So this register is coming from the method name is this not register. This variable is registered. Here the variable name is registered. Then this is correct. Go to profile name. Directly can pass here. So that is I'm returning. And finally, that is the registration. We are already logout is completed, registration completed, and login. Login also we need to do that. So basically, what I will do, we have only 1 minute left. So what I will do, just I will use my code. I will continue tomorrow class. So I need to, because we don't have class time now. So basically, we develop the logout and registration form for the login and dashboard functionality. I will develop tomorrow. I will explain completely tomorrow. So I'm stopping here, and we will connect the next class on Tuesday, not tomorrow or Monday. On Tuesday, we will connect again. Tomorrow we don't have class. Monday also we don't have. Tuesday we'll connect. I will explain end to end.
Sure, Vinay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the day. Bye.
Thanks, Vinay. Bye-bye.